In today's watercolor tutorial, we'll be painting colorful autumn trees. We'll be mainly practicing paint control and the wet on wet technique. This loose painting exercise allows you to let go of perfection and follow your intuition. Paint along at your own pace and enjoy your creative me time. For this painting, you'll need a rectangle-shaped piece of paper and just one brush, a round size 8. But anything similar is totally fine too. To give the painting a nice and clean look, you can cover the edges with masking tape. Feel free to skip this step if you like your piece of art more without clear white edges. Today we'll be using autumn or fall colors. A warm red color, orange, and a warm yellow color. Also some red, brown, and gray. The mixes of my paints vary, but for most of the shades I used half water, half paint to create a nice bright color. We start this painting by wetting the upper 2/3 of the paper with clean water and your size 8 round brush. You've used enough water if your paper has a nice shine. Now pick up some of your orange paint with your brush and create the background trees by applying the paint to your wet paper. Paint the background trees wherever you plan to paint your real trees later on. Repeat this step with red and yellow paint. It is just so satisfying to see these paints slowly bleeding into the clear water. Before we move on to the next step, we'll have to make sure our paper is dry. If your red and orange paint is not dry yet, you can speed up the drying process with a hairdryer. Now it's time to paint the grass by using the wet on dry technique. We'll apply wet paint on dry paper. Paint the grass with your green paint and a size 8 brush in quick motions on the bottom of your paper. You go from left to right and right to left. Try to leave some white space to create a more realistic and lively feeling. For the next step, painting the trunks, object placement is essential. Pick up some of your dark gray mix and paint the tree trunks with the tip of your brush. Now, if your green paint has dried before you were able to finish your trunks, you can just re-wet your paper by applying clear water on top of your green grass. And there you are! You created your very own autumn trees. You can remove your masking tape once your painting is dry. I hope you enjoyed this calming painting session as much as I did. Thank you again for taking the time to paint with me today.